How to transfer money from Bitget to bank account. For that, first of all, you need to open your Bitget exchange. Over here on the home page, tap on the more option and then you will be landed on the more services page where you will be able to see a bunch of different options. Now among these options, we want to search for P2P. So you just have to simply scroll down and try to find P2P in this list. If you are not able to find P2P over here, then simply tap on the sell option and by default it will redirect you on P2P page. Now over here in the top we have P2P page and the second one we have is Express. With the help of Express, you can directly sell all of your cryptocurrencies over here by just tapping on one single button. But since we want to transfer our money into our bank account, you need to tap on the P2P option. Over here, you need to make sure that USDT is selected. You can even select any other coin, but it would be convenient for you if you select USDT. Then in the method, you just have to simply tap on it and select your preferable method. For this video, I'm gonna keep it all because it will show me all of the merchants that provide all of these payment methods. Now you need to select any of the merchants of your choice, but you need to make sure that they have a verified badge right next to their profile, and you need to be extra careful while using Bitget P2P. So tap on the sell button right next to the profile of the user and then you need to just enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. After selecting the payment method, you just have to simply initiate your selling. Then you just have to wait for some time until the merchant transfers the money in your bank account. Once you receive the money in your bank account, you just have to tell Bitget that you have received the money by tapping on the respective option. Then your transaction will be completed and you will be able to transfer your money in the form of USDT to your Bitget account. That was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.